Good evening to you and you where they listen to CHRICED Radio and TV. This na evening sharp tori from the station where your matter now we own. My name na Princess Anyana. Here the tourists that we carry weight at this time. Make we carry you go Kebbi State where we say on top one better tori we sweet people belle. One farmer for inside Kebbi State, Kabiru Kamba, don't begin now to explain how he take dig out and rescue one newborn baby girl where them bury alive for him farm for Kamba, then the local government area of the state. As he can they give the gist by gist on top how this thing take happen today to the Kebbi State Technical Working Group on gender-based violence when Ajia Rafat Hammani before permanent secretary for the State Ministry of Basic and Secondary Education Kamba come visit them. Now there this oga begin to explain say in actually been noticed say out of all the farm where they farm one of them can't high past the rest. Now so in can't decide to dig him out and he see the newborn baby inside. He say in don't carry the baby now as his own out of the goodness of his heart and the fact of human feeling when he use and say in get plan now to do a big beautiful naming ceremony for this Pikin on Wednesday. Still on top the matter, them presidential candidate of Labour Party LP inside 2023 election Peter Obi don't confirm say yes. In go follow drag for 2027 presidential election. Obi still talk say in they ready to do only 1 4-year term if he win the election. He announced all this one on Sunday night when he dey talk during a live session for X Space when he for the answer question both from supporters where they inside Naija and outside of Nigeria. Inside the top paper we drop on Monday from in talk person Ibrahim Umar, Peter Obi come begin the same. He not get any plan of like joint ticket with before Vice President Atiku Abubakar. And still, the People's Democratic Party PDP don't announce that they change the place where they do their board of trustees meeting where they be supposed to do today. According by a top paper where they post for their official Facebook page. This meeting was supposed to happen around 10 o'clock for PDP National Secretariat where Data Plaza, they don't relocate them to another place. The new place where they go for do the meeting, na Yar Adwa Center inside Abuja Central Business District. Then decide to shift the place of the meeting as we hear say heavy police na gather they block the road to the original place where they be want to do the meeting before. And still inside this news, the Student Union government of the Polytechnic Ibadan don't beg Oyo State House of Assembly say I beg. May they reject Governor Seyi Makinde recent announcement of say he want to change the name of their Polytechnic. Now Makinde be announced say in they change the name of the Polytechnic Ibadan after the late before governor of the state Omololu Olunloyo. The decision will cause serious worry among the students, old students, and even other people that will get out levels for the school, that they see and say not threatening to the school legacy and good name. Inside letter we carry the address of House of Assembly. Today will be Monday with signature of the SUG President Oladipupo Olamide and their General Secretary Aziz Tolashe. The body they say waiting they won't do so, it go spoil the identity and the face of the Polytechnic. And the Nigerian Civil Aviation Authority, them not the people that way they handle anything about aeroplane, said they don't carry one Rano airplane, put out for ground, say it must not fly. After the team been there for middle of air, the engine can't fail, and people now come fear say the aeroplane for free catch fire. This is your body where they control anything aeroplane fly. Talk say that plane will be come out to Kano, they go Sokoto. When at the airline the operator he got to return back after this incident will happen on Sunday. NCAA talk person Michael Achimugu talk say the pilot of the plane will carry number 5NBZY now reports this almost accident to the air traffic controllers and they got to do the necessary things then to make sure say then do emergency landing. After the story, make we take you to outside of Nigeria where we say France now they face serious and terrible heat with 84 out of the 96 mainland areas now don't they on top of what they call orange alert, and that now the second highest warning level of that country. Their minister on top climate matter Agnes Pannier-Runacher now talk say the situation they never see them before because the kind of heat is continue to hammer places like south and east of Europe. They don't also put heat alert for places like Spain, Portugal, Italy, Germany, the UK, and parts of the Balkans, we say Spain and Portugal, they record their hottest June days, according by the record of weather we didn't get so far. And now with this one, I'll go back break on top sharp tori from CHRICED Radio and TV. To take a bit more on top within the happen for news, join us again around 12 o'clock tomorrow. Until then, continue to follow us, enjoy us on top our social media handles at CHRICED Radio TV. My name na Princess Anyana. Thank you. Say you tanda with us.